Yeah, so guys, as I promised, so this is like a part two for the other video that I uploaded for the gallery section. I did for That's the biggest part of my gallery. That is the video on part one. So this one is the part two. So I have like three sections on this side. Let me show you guys. I have three galleries on this side. This can see the void between them. So I have one gallery here, I have one gallery here, I have one here as well, then I have another one here. So you can see the void between them as well. So we want to cast the first riser and the thread. So that's how we want to start. So we'll be casting it, we'll be doing it bit by bit. So I want to determine the final casting level of this first riser for this section and this section as well. So, and what I always make sure I do is, once they invite me for a stuff like this as a surveyor, so what I always do is they tell me, okay, from this floor that we are now, the riser is 450. They needed 450 risers. So that's the riser they needed. So, but what I always make sure is, before I take my reference from this floor, I always make sure that I check the top of the reinforcements. So I always make sure that I check the top of all the reinforcements. So if they are okay, if they are intact. So Mark, just let me check from that. Let's check like this. Or should we fix it one by one? I want to check the iron as we did for that one. So we should do it one by one. Yeah, let's do it one by one. Let's do that one first. So you check the top of the iron. When you want to check, move closer to this place. It seems all this place goes up than the front. So you check on this place, like 5 places on that side. So let me to check. So it's already going there. So I'll check the top of the reinforcements. Then I'll now check with the floor level. So I will look at the difference, whatever difference that we have. Mark, do you have marker with you? Give me. Okay, thank you. So I will check the top of the reinforcements. I will check it on like 5 different spots. So that's what I want to do now, to see how the reinforcement looks like. So I will now determine the highest point on the reinforcement, the one with the highest level. Okay. Oh yeah, Mark. 1105. 1105. So I want to determine the highest point on the reinforcement. 1105. 1105. 1105. The same level. 1105. 1105. So this one is okay. So I have 1140 here. So that means this place is a bit down. It's lower a bit. 1140. 1140. Okay, so that's the top of the beam, where I have 1120. Okay, 1105 is my highest point. Okay, yeah, check the ground, check the floor. So 1105 is my highest point on the reinforcement. 1105. That's my highest point on the reinforcement. So I want to check the floor. So the floor is 1580. That's the floor. Let me show you guys. 1580. Can you see it? That is 1580. So that's the floor. So that is 1580. That's the floor. So if I subtract 450 from this floor, I want to see what I'm going to have. If I subtract 450 from this floor, so I'll be having 450. So that means I'll be having this 0, this 3. So this is 1. 5 minus 4. This is 1. So this is 0. No, I'm coming. So if I subtract 450 from this, so I'll be having 1 I'll be having 1130. Yes, 1050. So I'll be having 1130. So this is supposed to be my casting level. So 1130 is supposed to be my final casting level. So I will now compare this with this, which one is the highest. So from here now, it's obvious that this is the highest. That means our reinforcement is higher. You can see our reinforcement is higher than the initial top of casting that we ought to have. So I hope it is clear to you guys. So what I will just do is I will add a little cover to this highest point on the reinforcement. So I will add like 1105. Let me add 20 mm concrete cover on that spot. So if I had 20 mm cover on that spot, so I will have 1125. So this will be my final casting level. So 1125. This is supposed to be our, okay, is even no, sorry, I will subtract. I'm not adding. I'm going to subtract this from this. So 1125, 1105 minus 20. So what are we going to have? We have 1085. That's what we'll have. We'll have 1085. So 1085 will be our final casting level. I hope it is clear. So if we subtract this from this, we'll have 1085. So this will be our final casting level, because the reinforcement that they placed is higher than the initial top of casting that they're supposed to have. So I'll be transferring 1085. Okay, Mark, all right. So I want to transfer 1085. So that is for our final casting level. 1085. I'll show you guys. Okay, let me show you guys. It's there. Let me show you guys. Can you see it? Can you see it? That is 1085. Okay. So that's how we transfer it for all of them. So I'm going to do this section separately, then this section as well. I'm going to do it separately. So that's how I always get it done. Whenever I want to determine a level, whenever they invite me to determine a level, I will ask for their reference, whatever reference they want me to use, the exact measurement that is in the drawing. Then I will now make sure that I check whatever they've done on site before to know the difference that they have. So I will tell them what the difference in their error is, so we'll know how to find a solution to the problem they are having at the moment. So 1085. Okay, it's in another spot now. Let me show you guys. 1085. Can you see it? Okay, so that's it guys. So always make sure you try and check the reinforcement that they have done whenever they invite you to come and fix any level for them. So I always make sure I do that, so that if I didn't check, because the reason is that if you didn't check what they've done on site, like this reinforcement, if I didn't check, I just picked my 450 above this floor and I started transferring it around, we will now discover that when they are doing their casting, the floor will not have enough concrete cover. So there will be some ions that will be higher than the casting level. So that's why I always make sure that I check whatever they've done on site before I determine their final casting level. Now, all right. So that's it guys. Thank you for staying through. So I'm going to update you guys whenever as we are casting each floor. I'll be updating you guys on it. So thank you so much.